Y'all, my iPhone 12 Pro Max just got here today. That was a mouthful. It just got here today. Stay tuned. We're gonna do the unboxing. And we're gonna talk about how why I bought this phone and why it's important to our channel. There's a lot of premium flagship phones out there that you can spend a lot of money on. Out of all the phones that I've purchased in the past, and I've had some Androids, I've had some different iPhones, and I have to say, this bad boy right here is worth every penny. Like, just the craftsmanship that went into building like the form factor of this. Now, it is still considered kind of iterative. Like, there's no like ridiculous new design at all. I mean, Apple hasn't done that since they created the iPhone, really. But they have gotten better in their build quality, in their materials, and this shows, like, straight up. But we're not here to review the physical phone. We're here to talk about the camera, specifically the video recording. Now, I bought this phone because I was really excited about being able to have impromptu videos whenever I'm out with TG, and we're helping friends or maybe grabbing a bite to eat, getting lunch or something like that. And we have these really organic, great conversations that I wish I had the opportunity to say, hold your thought, let's capture that. Now I can, and it'll hopefully have some be quality like video. I'm really excited about the front facing and the rear camera. The other thing that's really important, cinematic video stabilization. So basically it's just hella smooth. Like, I don't need a gimbal. I don't need that extra piece of equipment for this phone when I pull it out and use it. It saves so much time, and it's just so easy to be able to just kind of pull out and use it in the spur of the moment. I'm excited about that. So there'll be times where, we'll be selfie mode and I'm getting some stable video just using my arm, right? And there'll be times where, I got to flip it around and, I'm directing and I'm like, hey, TG, do a backflip over there and spin on your head, because we're going to do it in slow motion. Stabilization's there. I can go and get all these cool shots, and it's not going to be like, like, what the hell was they doing? I'm excited about how it'll help us create on this channel and how we can bring you all more content in our style of filming. So we look forward to it. In the meantime, we're going to see this field test, and then we'll come back and close it out. Cool. Well, that wasn't bad. That wasn't bad at all. I'm really excited to use this. So I hope y'all stay tuned. Hope y'all can catch some of these new videos that we capture with the phone. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I love making videos. I love recording and trying new things, getting out of my comfort zone, and doing some stuff that maybe y'all will hate, maybe you'll like, but at least we're trying, you know. And I think that's the most important part is, you know, you don't know what will be received until you put it out there. So we'll have more tech videos coming in the future as well, because we're all about that tech, anime, video games, books, all media, honestly, anything that we can review and enjoy that is just part of who we are naturally and how we flow together. We're gonna bring it into the channel. We hope y'all love it, because we do. Now, that being said, if you like this, thumb it. If you rock with us, drop a comment below, because we rock with you and we want to interact with you. So thank you so much. Appreciate your time.